Welcome to my mk7 build. We're going to concentrate today on the preparation and the sanding and the filling of the shoulders. I have with me various amount of the mk7 parts that's been 3D printed, and I'm going to show you from a start to finish and up to the primer stage. So I'm going to start with shoulders. This is the shoulder. It comes like this. It's all 3D printed out, and this is when you start to fill it in with some fantastic body filler, car body filler. Now what I've been using is this tin here, which is the U-Pol Fantastic body filler. It's a light body filler, so it's easy to sand. You want to use like a P80 sandpaper, which is this type, to use to sand this down, take the edges off. What I've been using first is I've been using a file to take the rough edges off first, and then I use the P80 paper to smooth that out, and then I'm right down to a 1200 grit sandpaper to give it that little smooth finish. Then once on that, so that's how that's all comes. So if I show you a bit closer, you got to fill it all out. These are the shoulders. They go up onto the mk7. Then once that's been done, you get to this bit where it's all nice and smooth. So you've got to check it all over, make sure there's no bits and bobs that are out of place. Give it a good old rub down. That's the interior. From there, and then we do one from the that's all then painted in primer before painting. Okay, and as you can see now, I've got one here that's been primered up. So this has all now been primered all over. So that's what it looks like, and you want to get as much out of that as you possibly can and as smooth as you can. I've got a couple of little bits here and there just to touch up. I can see a tiny little hole here and there that I'm going to smooth off before that goes for paint. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. I'll be taking a mould of that, so that'll be moulded in plastic, even a lighter one, so this will become a master mould. And I'm going to do that with the whole suit, so eventually I'll have a complete mould of the whole suit, and it'll be then vacuum formed in plastic, and a light plastic in a hips plastic, white, and then I'll repaint that. So and this has been the master mould. But thanks for watching. Keep following up the updates and watch the build. Thanks very much.